So you have a cream makeup that has just gotten dry over time, or you're trying a new brand and you're just not vibing with that drier formula. Though cream paints usually work better if worked in with a sponge or your hands, there's gonna be times where you're gonna wanna apply it with a brush, especially if you're doing detail or line work. You can see this cream is just too thick and it does not wanna play. Here's an easy fix. A lot of pros are gonna have this in their kit at all times. It's RCMA Thinner. This bottle is very small but mighty. You'll wanna take some cream makeup out of the container and onto a palette. You're only gonna wanna start with a drop. Work it in, and as you can see, you get a much smoother application. This little guy will run you $12. But what if I told you there was a cheaper alternative and easier to get your hands on? You can use good old castor oil. Again, you only want a drop or two, so it's probably a good idea to take your castor oil and put it in a dropper bottle. Also, if this is your only use for the castor oil, I wouldn't recommend going out and buying a giant bottle. Usually it has a year shelf life and it can go rancid after this expiration. And I want to stress that with either of these products, you do not want to just mix it in with your whole container of cream makeup. You always just want to work with the amount that you're going to be using. Once you set the makeup with powder, as you can see, even with adding these different products, it didn't affect the durability at all. Now, this easy trick will help you to either rescue your cream makeups or make them more user-friendly. There are also other options. So head over to the next video and we'll discuss the pros and cons comparing the cream to the water and alcohol activated colors, and I'll see you there.